It felt like it was only yesterday when we were hard on our grind. The time has flew by and now it's time to say goodbye to you for now. I don't know how to tell you this, but I wish the time would have been longer. To see us go like this is unpredictable. Why does it have to be real? Please just give it a sec. And I know it's gonna be weird, but it's okay. To be honest with you, I kinda liked you, but never really wanted to tell you. But now that we gone our own ways, I wanna let you know that you meant something to me. Even though we never spent much together, but it felt like it was forever. Your face is fine, laugh so cute, girl, I would do anything just to be by your side. But it's okay, I know forever, in my heart you'll always be there.